Hey everyone, welcome back to another unboxing and short review. Today in this video, I like to share you guys Honor 400 unboxing and short review after 1 month. So first of all, talk about the box content. At the box, you can get one SIM ejector tool, one soft case, some papers, one USB Type-C cable, and one 100-watt adapter, and our Honor 400. So this is our Honor 400 and this is blue color. The smartphone built with glass in the front, plastic back and plastic frame. So overall the build quality is solid and the phone also comes with IP66 rating. Moving to the display, the phone comes with 6.55-inch 1B color 120Hz AMOLED panel, and this is 90.3 skin to body ratio. The smartphone powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 7 Gen 3 SoC with up to 12GB RAM and 512GB storage. On the software side, the phone running Magic OS 9 with Android 15 and the phone offers more 6 Android update. Now let's talk about the camera section. The phone comes with a dual camera setup, 200 megapixel main sensor, 12 megapixel ultra wide and 50 megapixel single selfie camera. The smartphone main camera you can record highest 4K 30fps video, and very soon this smartphone details camera review coming our channel, so make sure to subscribe and press the bell icon. The smartphone powered by 6000 mAh battery with 100-watt adapter, and very soon this smartphone long time full review coming our channel, so make sure to subscribe and press the bell icon. So that's all about our unboxing and short review Honor 400. So let me know in the comment what you think about the Honor 400. If you found this video informative, make sure to subscribe and press the bell icon, and I'll be catch you next one. Take care. Allah Hafiz.